Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nurse Alyssa, and today we're going to be going over Secura Dimethicone Protectant. But first, if you could hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated, as it truly does help my channel grow. So let's get started. So it is a transparent silicone protective cream with a 5% dimethicone. So indications for use. So we're going to use this for protection against incontinence-associated dermatitis. It's for mild skin irritations due to incontinence-associated dermatitis. And we can also use it for denuded, chapped, or cracked skin. Precautions, we want to avoid contact with the eyes. And contraindications, so we don't want to use it for clients with known sensitivities or allergies to dimethicone or other ingredients that are labeled. We're also not using this for moderate to severe excoriated or denuded skin. So to apply, we are going, for incontinence, we're going to apply a thin layer to any area that might come in contact with urine, stool, or moisture. And we're going to reapply after any incontinence episode or exposure to moisture as needed. For dry, chapped, or cracked skin, we're going to apply a thin layer of the protectant to the area twice a day or as needed. So the expected outcome of using this protectant is that we prevent mild skin irritations, we resolve minor to mild skin irritations within 3 days, and if symptoms worsen, we can consider using Secura Extra Protective Cream. But for this cream, it does come in a format of a tube for 140 grams. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you did find it helpful for your daily practice. And if you haven't done so already, if you could please hit that subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated, as it truly does help my channel grow. Catch you in my next video, guys. See ya.